failure. Just waving to a friend down there who's out driving out somewhere. So the solution is a new cable. And there's the old stiff monster, and here's the new one. So let me get this thing out of there, and we can put it on a cart. Oh. This weighs about 40 something pounds according to the specs. Now it's time to go get a dock cart. So let's get ourselves a dock cart. I'm not going to unload the truck until I know the power systems are working. So dock cart. It's a nice place. That's a rental farmhouse, hand built. You can rent that for weekends, parties, various activities. Got a great view of the river over here, Lodge Creek. So time to put this monster in there. Okay, so that's it. You know, the rest of it, there's 3 more cases in there. So down the dock we go. Sometimes I like to just take it and pull these things. It's a beautiful day here. We have a warm front prior to a cold front. I gotta gather up the lavalier cabling. There we are again. So walking down the dock, oh, there goes Gail. It's nice and calm. This is our A dock. We're berthed on A dock, which is a nice place to be. It's quiet. The party people over on B dock, C dock, D dock don't really get to us over here. Okay, there she is, where she belongs. Boot stripe is out of the water, which is good. Means some pumps have been, or the bilge pumps have been working. Now this is my temporary solution. About a 30 amp cable, and ran it up and into the boat. Now I used an adapter to make sure that it would work. It's still showing blue, which means that we're still powered. This power is one circuit which has the refrigerator and overhead lamps, which I plugged a heater into. So I've got to do something and I'll be right back. Okay, so I had to pull the boat over. This temporary way of keeping her close to the pier. So we're gonna climb on board and power down. Okay. Okay. So as we go below, I left that locked. I have a bad meter. That's the leg that's powered. And what I need to do, kill those off. So power is shut off. I can disconnect and put the new one up. So this is going to be tricky. I don't have a tripod with me, so what I'm going to do, I guess I'll just put you up here. Remove the 30 amp cable, and I'm stretched out the new 50 amp cable, so I'm sizing it, trying to get it to places, and our problem is it drops in the water here. So I'm going to run it up and into the top level and then over and in. See how that works out. Right now, accept defeat gracefully, that's all I can say. The connector, the boat connector, is damaged. It doesn't work. So let me extricate myself. Because there's no place around here we can get one. We're just going to pack up, go home. Hopefully tomorrow I can get one, and then, whoa, we're unscrewed here. I can get one tomorrow morning. We'll be back, and depending on, actually it depends on the weather. So if it's good weather, we'll be back. Bad weather, if it's good weather, we'll be back. Bad weather, we won't.